Hey, I don't wipe the camera. Let y'all get it twisted. It's a pile, man. Each one of these logs right here weigh about 300 or 400 pounds. I'm not gonna lie. And it's piled up great. So, that's the pile right there. We pretty beat up. This is like 4 trailer fulls of debris. 4. So, there you go. Big pile. My bad. I had some messages coming down. I was trying to read and entertain. So, all right. Now, let's go. Now we about to go pick up my machines and get them back loaded on the trailer. So y'all stay with me. We go around the corner somewhere, get the machines, then we out for today.